We understand now the face-off between the TMC and the BJP has escalated over violence in Murshidabad. Well, Mamata Banerjee has hit out at Yogi Adityanath, saying that lives have been lost in encounters in UP and he has no right to lecture Bengal. The BJP has hit back, saying that the people of Bengal need a chief minister like Yogi Adityanath.
आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं। लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए।
তোমরা টিচারদের চাকরি কেন খেলে? তোমাদের লজ্জা হয়নি? ত্রিপুরায় বলেছিলে বিজেপি গভর্নমেন্ট আসার পরে চাকরি ফেরত দেবো, আজ পর্যন্ত দিয়েছো, 7 বছর হয়ে গেছে। বরঞ্চ তারা যখন গেছিল তাদের মাথা মেরে ফাটিয়ে দিয়েছো। यूपी 69,000 टीचर चाकरी गए। जोगी बड़ो बड़ो बात कर रहा है, सबसे बड़ा भोगी है। महाकुंभ में कितना लोगों का मौत हुआ, कितना लोगों ने इंजर्ड हुआ, कोई लिस्ट ऑफ पब्लिकली दिया? नहीं दिया। बड़ा बड़ा बात करते हो। कितने एनकाउंटर में मैं मारा, एक भी में रैली किसी को नहीं करने देते, एक भी मिছিল नहीं करने देते, लोगों को डर दिखा के रख दिया। लोगों ने एक रैली भी नहीं कर सकता है। अरे बांग्लाয় तो फ्रीडम আছে, सीपीएम रैली करे, सीपीआई करे, अल्टालेफ्टরাও কখনো কখনো করে।
बंगाल का पुलिस मंत्री का नाते सी इज कम्प्लीटली फेल। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन इज डिजास्टर। उन्होंने बताया सब लोग मिছিল मीटिंग कर सकता है। अपोजिशन लीडर को 82 टाइम हाईकोर्ट जाना पड़ा, 82 टाइम हाईकोर्ट का इजाजत लेकर प्रोग्राम करना पड़ा। यहाँ डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं है, कंप्लीट फेलियर।
Well, my colleague Shreyasi also now joins us live on the broadcast. Shreyasi, well, the political face-off continues between the BJP and the TMC, we understand, and this doesn't see any end anytime soon.
Well, that's right. Given the fact that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is on a political back foot over the Murshidabad violence, the BJP continues to corner her and put pressure on the Mamata Banerjee government. On one hand, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has, slammed the BJP as well as the Centre for the Waqf law, and has said that, it's because of them that the tension was created in West Bengal. She has shifted the blame on the BJP-led central government. In order to respond to her, the BJP has said that Mamata has completely lost grip over Bengal when it comes to the law and order situation. But the ground reality remains that 3 people died in communal clashes in Murshidabad over the anti-Waqf protests that took place here in the state. She has appealed to the minority community just a short while ago in Kolkata while she was addressing the clerics here that, not to take law into their hands, to maintain peace, to maintain calm, and also reiterated her stand that, the West Bengal government will not allow the new Waqf law to be implemented. Of course, all eyes on the Supreme Court, on what the Supreme Court says, the 3 bench led by the Chief Justice of India. Everyone is hoping there will be some positive outcome from there. But of course, the Parliament has already passed it and it's a law now. The Chief Minister has said the Trinamool Congress MPs have fought tooth and nail against this to be passed in the Parliament. And, she reiterated that in this meet fate of the clerics today. So the Trinamool Congress essentially washing their hands of everything that has happened in Murshidabad, dumping the blame on the BJP, and all this given that the state will go into elections early next year. So the BJP driving the point that Hindus are not safe in West Bengal, and the Trinamool Congress trying to put up a secular face, saying that, you know, there are no incidents to really highlight here. There have been a lot of social media misinformation. She's even pointed out fingers at Bangladesh, saying that, you know, infiltrators are coming and stoking violence in the state. The political war of words, of course, continuing, but the ground reality remains that people are still feeling unsafe in Murshidabad.